friends. We're back again with another repurposed reuse video from just things you have around the house. Today we're making barrettes. Can you see that? We're making barrettes with blue jeans, and I threw on some beads, but you really could just leave it with just the blue jeans. So you want to find a pair of old yucky blue jeans, and these are the same ones I've been cutting up for several videos now. And I'm going to take a belt loop off, and this one was already partially off, so that's another reason these jeans were not that great. And then I'm going to use a seam ripper. If you don't have a seam ripper, you could use a pair of good scissors. It would just be a little more difficult, but we're just going to rip this seam out, so bear with me. You can see there's some threads in there. I'm just ripping them out with the seam ripper. It cuts through them really well, and there we go. Our belt loop is off. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of scissors and just trim it up a little so that there's not a lot of loose threads showing. See, there's some loose threads there. I don't know if you can see them. So I'm just going to trim that up a little bit so it just looks a little neater, and everything else looks pretty good. Now I will take and put some glue on a barrette back, and then I will just put the denim right on there. And I'm using the hot glue. If you don't have hot glue, you could stitch it around and on. That would be a lot more difficult because denim is very thick and hard to work with the thread and needle. But there you go. And if you did want to stitch it on, you would have to kind of go around in the inside piece here, not on the part that clips into your hair. And you can just leave it like so if you like. Can you see that? And that makes a very nice barrette. But I'm going to glue a few beads on so that I have twins. So I'm just going to take a little glue and put it on my bead and stick it onto the denim. And I'm going to do a little glue here on the denim and stick a bead there, and do the same on this side. A little glue and another bead, and there we go. Matching barrettes. I hope you enjoyed this video of our repurposed products from around your house. And I look forward to seeing you again soon with another great video. Have a wonderful day.